Hi, my name is Irene Val, and I'm going to be showing you eduCanon, the eduCanon app in Edmodo. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Edmodo and go to your store if you don't already have eduCanon. eduCanon is a top free app right now. It's a little dog. Another way you can find it is you can browse by subject over here on the left. You can also search for it. We're going to search for it. When I search, I do have categories I can sort because it does have just all of them. I can select apps, and there's eduCanon, and we can select that. Now, I already have it installed. If you didn't, it would say free, and you can install it. If I select Manage App, I can look and see if I have the app in the groups that I want it to be in, and then I can install. Once it's installed, if you go to your apps launcher, it will be here. From here, I am able to click and drag it down to my right toolbar if you want access to it, if you use it all the time, instead of going through this other step of the apps launcher. If it's on here, I can select straight from here to it. If it's not on apps launcher, I can go and select it from there, and it will open up. Alright, once it comes in, to create a new one, you select Design. And the first thing that you want to do is you want to add a video. So I'm actually going to add a video from my drive. I have this Edmodo Manage Apps video that I created, and I want to share it. Getting that shareable link, I want to copy that link, and then going back over to my Edmodo. I'm going to go ahead and paste that link. You do have to enter a title, so I'm going to call it Edmodo Managing Apps. Oops. Under the learning objective, we want to put how-to video on managing your apps in Edmodo. You do have to select a graded topic and a subtopic. So I'm going to go Technology, Other Technology, and then we're going to go ahead and put it over here. From here,
My name is Irene.
From here, we can add a question. And so instead of the 1 second, I'm actually going to add the question.
Quote unquote, and I'm big into free apps.
Alright, and so I'm going to add a question here at timestamp 34 seconds. I'm doing a multiple choice question. It is, do you have to have credit to purchase a free app? The answer choices here, oh my goodness, are yes and no. This means if it's correct, the correct answer is no, you do not have to have credit to purchase a free app. I'm able to add an answer as well as get rid of it, and I want it at the 34 seconds, so I select save. And you see this continues playing. If I've already watched it a few times, I can go ahead and pull up where I want the next question. I select add question. I'm going to do a free response. My question is going to be, do Edmodo apps only work on computers? If no, explain what other platforms they can be used. Alright, and so there's my question. It's a free response, so that's why I added the if no. I'm going to save that.
Subject.
I'm going to pause it. Now at this point, if I'm finished and I want to add in more questions, I can select Finish Build. Otherwise, I can keep adding questions. So Finish Build, I'm going to assign it to my blended learning in the classroom. I'm just going to go ahead and assign it for blended learning. I'm actually using that on July 6th, so I'm going to submit it. I'm teaching that on July 6th, so I'm going to submit it for July 6th. That's due on that day. I can upload students, and I can also share this public link through a myriad of ways. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link, and then I can close it out. So now if I go to, I can go and look at my assignments. I can look at my monitor, I can monitor my student progress. I can also select myself. Bulbs are actually what we just created. So I have a couple of different bulbs, if you will. So there's my Edmodo Managing Apps right here. I can add I can assign them, I can edit, I can share, and I can preview. And so if I get out of this and I go to my home page, and I shared it with my blended learning. So this is the blend space on here, but as a student, if I went to eduCannon, so it doesn't share out like BlendSpace does, but as a student, if I went into eduCannon, I would be able to see, they're called bulbs, the video. I'd be able to find this video, the Edmodo Manage Apps, and take the quiz. And it would alert me through Edmodo. I would get a notification saying that I had an eduCannon video to watch. So that's it for eduCannon. I hope you enjoyed.